So dark here. Alright.
Fractal promise.
You don't have to say, I already know. You have stars for eyes, your spirit comes and goes. I already said goodbye to the side of your face on a tightrope toward the sun. I barely had time to catch your breathless name, packing up once it was gone. So now I'm sorry for fogging up your glasses at night. We had to stick your phone in a bag of desiccant packages. That we got caught by the sprinklers line in a grass field staring at the moon. Don't have to say it, don't have to say it. But if not for our clothes, I wouldn't trust my skin. Your breath dissolves my neck, don't know where I begin. What is time? We spent a year and 10 days and a lifelong in a night. I felt your infant joy and dreamed our heads turned white. So here's my ocean frozen chest and my shower worn. Here are your watercolored journals and your pinprick downs. We fell sideways with our eyes fish hooked, our brows bent with the truth. Don't have to say it, don't have to say it, but I love you too. Your smile looked a little dim when you first saw my face tonight. Lit up around the giant chest set, remembering ghosts in the neon lights. I drank so much of you it hurt, you said after a soft goodbye. So take all the space and time you need, I'd rather lose you than pull you from the sky. Don't have to see my face again, no need to be my wife. Just hold my hand and be as old as I am while these strings fill up the room. Don't have to say it, don't have to say it, but I love you too. You don't have to say I already know. You have stars for eyes, your spirit comes and goes. What shade tonight and 2 weeks bright and always beautiful the moon. Don't have to say it, don't have to say it, but I love you too. Love you.